Hi dear students. Welcome to the seventh session of our initiations. So this week you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. So you can find this week's topic in Module 8 and Module 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. So by the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expressions used to make or respond to an appointment or explanation or negotiation and draw a conclusion in a meeting. So please study the materials and enrichment on the links below. And afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 7 and don't forget to do the assignment 3. Good luck.